Hi everyone, welcome to episode 1 of Yana and Fluffy. Today we'll be learning French. I am making these videos because I have an Indian husband and Indian friends who are going to visit France for the first time in August. So they have around 5 months to get ready to interact with people, learn a few words, and hopefully you can come along and also learn some French. Okay, shall we start? First off is greetings. Bonjour, Yanaï, dit le petit singe qui grimpe ici. Bonjour, Yanaï. L'éléphant, Yanaï, dit bonjour, Fluffy. Ça va? Oui, ça va. So in French, the answer to how are you is the exact same as the question. Ça va? Oui, ça va. Just with your intonation, we can know if you are asking the question or telling the answer. So just pause here and try and repeat the little dialogue. Ça va? Next, we have a question. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, le jour. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes le 9 février. We're the 9th of February today. Aujourd'hui, tu es à la maison? Are you at home? Tu es à la maison? And you can answer oui, oui, ou non. Oui ou non. Tu es à la maison? Maintenant, tu as une mission. Choisis l'animal le plus dangereux. Donc, on a 3 options. On a le dinosaure, le mammouth, le lion. And once you have your answer, you have the little sentence at the bottom to help you out. So, le lion, mammouth, dinosaure est l'animal le plus dangereux. Okay? Est, the first word we can see, est, means is. Okay? It is written a bit weirdly, 3 letters just for one sound. Other words are easier than this one. You just have to learn it by heart that est, est means is. Maintenant, deuxième mission. Choisis l'animal le plus rapide. Quel est l'animal le plus rapide? On a 3 options. Le hérisson, l'escargot, la grenouille. Grenouille. Ok. Quel est l'animal le plus rapide? Je pense que, I think, le hérisson est l'animal le plus rapide. Because I've seen baby hedgehogs and they run really, really fast. But then again, frogs can hop pretty fast from one leaf to another. So I'm not too sure. What do you think? Maintenant, je vais vous poser une question. Comment était ta journée? So we have jour again, which means day. Okay? Comment était ta journée? Est-ce que ta journée était relaxante ou est-ce qu'elle était stressante? Relaxante ou stressante? How was your day? Maintenant, on a une 3e mission. Choisis l'animal qui Nage, nage dans l'océan. So we have a new word here. We have océan. And it looks just like the English word with ocean. Okay? So we have trois options. Le dauphin, la libellule, l'ours polaire. So whatever your answer is, you can say nage dans l'océan. Okay? Et maintenant, choisis l'animal nocturne. Le renne, le hibou, le papillon. Papillon. That's a nice animal. L'animal nocturne. Nocturne veut dire que l'animal vit la nuit. So the animal is active at night. Which one is it? Now repeat after me. Le hibou est un animal nocturne. Le hibou est nocturne. Maintenant, choisis l'animal qui vit dans la forêt. So we have another word here. We had océan, ocean, and we have another one which is pretty close to English, and that's forêt. Donc on a trois options. La girafe, la mouette, l'écureuil. Écureuil. Lequel vit dans la forêt? Which one lives in the forest? So whatever your answer is, I would say l'écureuil est un animal de la forêt. So that is, the squirrel is a forest animal. But we can also say that the squirrel lives in the forest. How do we say lives? Vit. Vit. L'écureuil vit dans la forêt. You might have heard the French expression c'est la vie. So that means just, oh, that's life. It happens. We need to be resilient. So vie means life, V-I-E. Here it's the verb, so that's why it's written a little bit differently. The spelling is different. L'écureuil vit dans la forêt. Now, maintenant, on a une autre mission. Choisis l'animal qui dort. Dormir. OK? L'oiseau, le koala, le chat. Quel animal dort? So once you have your answer, repeat after me. Le chat est l'animal qui dort. Le chat dort. Maintenant, on a une autre mission. We have our last mission of the day. That is a scenario. OK? Imagine que tu manges un sandwich. Quel animal, which animal, quel animal est ton ennemi? Quel animal est ton ennemi? Est-ce que ton ennemi est la girafe ou la mouette? Which one is your enemy? And then you can answer using the little sentence that you can see on the left side of your screen, which is mon ennemi est. And you can tell me your enemy. And I can say seagulls are very brutal with food. Maintenant, tu nages, tu nages dans l'océan. Quel animal est ton ennemi? On a le requin ou le dauphin. Mon ennemi est, mon ennemi est le requin. Mon ennemi est le dauphin. Which one is your enemy? And now is our last one of the day. Tu campes dans la jungle. La jungle. So that is our third very important word of the day. We had océan, forêt, jungle. And it looks like the English word as well. You guys are really lucky. Quel animal est ton ennemi? Le serpent ou le pan? Le pan. Mon ennemi est, and there you can say your choice. Okay? So just to recap, if I wanted to summarize the 5 most important words of the day today, we have bonjour, oui, non, ça va, océan, forêt, jungle, animal, nage, nager. Je nage, je nage. So just pause the video whenever you'd like and try and remember the words that we have seen today. Maybe not the animals, but just a few little words here and there. See you guys soon for lesson 2.